Here at Wichita State, our university is divided into 8 academic colleges, which together offer more than 230 areas of study for our students. And if, out of all those areas, you're interested in pursuing a major in the arts, then our College of Fine Arts is definitely the right fit for you. Our College of Fine Arts encompasses 350,000 square feet on our campus and consists of 4 schools: art, design, and creative industries, digital arts, music, and performing arts. It's also home to nearly 1,000 students and 7 dedicated fine arts buildings. With 5 performance spaces, 4 galleries, 3 dance studios, and a 35,000 square foot production facility, it is the largest College of Fine Arts by area in the Great Plains. We put on over 500 performances, presentations, and exhibitions annually. We're home to the first Marcus organ built on North American soil, and our Martin H. Bush outdoor sculpture collection is nationally ranked by Public Art Review, featuring over 76 sculptures. And speaking of impressive numbers, our dean, Rodney Miller, stands at 6'5" tall, making him the tallest dean on campus. But at this point, you're probably thinking, I love these fun stats, but what exactly does the College of Fine Arts have to offer me? Well, get a load of these stats. We award over $600,000 in scholarships to fine arts majors every year. Not only that, but our Shockers have access to tons of unique professional experiences while at WSU too. Wichita State students, alumni, and faculty comprise 85% of the Wichita Symphony Orchestra. We also have the only dance program in the state accredited by the National Association of Schools of Dance, and our Shocker Sound Machine is the only collegiate basketball marching band in the country. Our students do some pretty amazing things while at WSU, whether it's showing off their work at Shift Space, our totally student-run gallery off campus, or interning with companies like Blizzard to create video game magic. Our students and alumni have gone on to make their mark on the world in countless ways, from performing on Broadway to being a finalist on RuPaul's Drag Race. In fact, our faculty and alumni have won or been nominated for every arts award there is, including the Oscar, Tony, Emmy, Grammy, Golden Globe, Pulitzer Prize, and Guggenheim Fellowship. So what we're trying to say is we're beyond proud of all the accomplishments our students see both in and outside of the classroom, and we're positive you could be just as successful during your time here too. With that, we hope you've learned a little bit more about our College of Fine Arts here at Wichita State. You can learn more about the program and the opportunities available to you by visiting wichita.edu/finearts.